going to go ahead and survey this section of Richland Chambers Lake here. So let's go ahead and get the boat fired up. Turn it on. All you do is press this button here, and it'll go ahead and power up. The controls on the HarborScout are real easy. Everything is on this right joystick here. Forward, backward, and steering are all on the same joystick. Okay, so now that the boat is in the water, we're first going to want to plan a mission for our survey area. We'll load up Mission Planner. And we'll make sure that we're connected to the Wi-Fi box, which is Shorelink. So yeah, we're connected. We'll go ahead and select UDPCI up here, press connect, enter that IP address, that port, and it'll go and connect to the boat. Okay, so we'll go to the planning tab, and we'll just go ahead and use the polygon tool here to draw a polygon of the area we want to survey. Looks good. Go to about here. There we go. Now, we'll right click inside that polygon and go to Auto Waypoint, Survey Grid. I want to choose to start from the top left, right up here. And then we can see our transect separation is 18 meters. That looks actually pretty good. Put in the speed here, and then we'll see that that'll take 32 minutes. Sounds good. Just accept. We'll go ahead and put in waypoints for you. I notice it'll stop over here, so I'll just go ahead and manually click in a few additional waypoints. I just kind of want to go put one transect directly perpendicular to all the others, just for verification. And then we'll go ahead and bring it back to the boat ramp. Now, once this mission's planned, we'll go ahead and click Write Waypoints, and it'll upload them to the boat. We should be good. It's worth noting you can also save these to a file and load previously saved waypoint missions. So the next thing is we want to connect to the onboard computer on the boat. So we'll go to Remote Desktop, we'll enter in the IP address shown here, and press connect. Enter the boat password. There we go. Now we are in. I'm going to go ahead and close this out. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is load up HydroMagic. You can also use HiPack. And in this case, the boat is running the Unabara Z-Axis 2F, so we have the Unabara app here as well. And this app allows you to change interesting settings such as the frequency. We have a range of frequencies between 18 kilohertz and 30 kilohertz we can choose from. I think I'm going to go with 28. Just choose apply. And then run. You can also choose the sound velocity and any offsets in this app as well. So you can see we've got the high frequency depth, the low frequency depth. We've got an RTK fix solution. We got pitch and roll data coming in. Go ahead and load up the echo sounder plot, and I'm going to press record. Okay, so the next thing to do is just activate auto mode. You can do that either by switching to auto on this app here, put actions inside the auto, or we can use the RC transmitter. Go ahead and click this button here in this case. You can see the mode switch to auto here, and the boat begins the survey. It's heading towards waypoint 1 here. Go ahead and go back to the HydroMagic view. Alright, there's a boat coming, so I'm going to go ahead and have it position hold using this switch here. Put it in the middle position, it'll stop moving and hold its position against current and wind. Okay, it looks like that boat is actually just going to that dock anyway. So I'll just go ahead and resume the mission by flipping the switch. And off it goes. Alright, it's wrapping up the mission now. I programmed a mission to come right up here to the boat ramp. Let's watch it do that. And it's done. It will go ahead and hold its position there until we switch to manual and drive it in. So again, we can just use the switch here. And then just drive it right up here. Okay, now that the mission is done, we'll stop recording. Close out HydroMagic. Close out the Z2F software. I'm going to go ahead and copy it off the boat's PC onto my laptop here. So I'll just go to where we save the project file, your test run, just copy. And then we'll reduce remote desktop. And just paste it right here onto my desktop. The network's pretty fast, so it doesn't usually take long to copy the data. Okay, that's all there is to it. I'll go ahead and create a separate video for processing the results.